Just Google or Facebook or YouTube the Port Angeles-Sequim, Washington Car Wash Man, Motorhome Wash Man. So this is the after video. As you can see, we removed all of the mold. The mold was growing into the paint, but it's gone. We waxed it. Look at how bright and white it is. It's beautiful. There was mold everywhere. We got all the mold out of the cracks and all of the crevices. There was a lot of mold on the roof. Oh boy, it was a lot. But not anymore. And we did the inside. We're almost done with the inside. Finishing up. We got Faithful Angel pet care and cleaning services, window cleaning right over there working. You can find her on Facebook also too, all the Facebook sites in Port Angeles-Sequim, Washington. If you want her to come by and do some cleaning for you or do your windows, she is a professional window cleaner. All of the mold is gone. It was everywhere. The car had been sitting around for 5 years, and they decided they want to drive it again. And the owner is very happy, very happy. We've shampooed the carpets and the seats. Just gotta vacuum them now. You can see everything has been finely detailed in here. And we might be done in about 30 minutes. We'll see. Looking good, looking good, looking good. Shampooed all the mats. The mats are sitting over there. So all you have to do is just Facebook or YouTube or Google the Port Angeles-Sequim, Washington Car Wash Man, Motorhome Wash Man. Or if you need some house cleaning or window cleaning services, same thing for Faithful Angel, Port Angeles-Sequim, Washington, Faithful Angel cleaning and pet services and window cleaning. You guys have a great day.